wipes away his life. And from an early age I heard my mother say, all you gotta do is ask and you shall receive. Your God is merciful, your God is made of love, your God is everything you'll need. Still at the age of 10, when my daddy died and my mother cried for a year, a house so full of colored somehow turned to gray, a life so full of faith that somehow turned to fear. Where's the justice in this? Where's the justice in this world? Please, 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 please tell me now. Where's the justice in this? There's no justice in this world. We carried on somehow. My mother held it all together, though we were bursting at the seams. 11 children cried as he was laid to rest. How could life ever be the same? But still the rosary, us all on bended knees every evening after tea. But secretly inside, I didn't buy those lights. I couldn't just make myself believe. Then my thoughts would change and I would grow afraid, yeah, that God might want to take my mother. So I tried to make a deal. If he would leave her be, yeah, he could have me or he could have some other. Where's the justice in this? Where's the justice in this world? Please, 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 please tell me now. Where's the justice in this? There's no justice in this world. We carried on our fears on through the grown years. The fear of God was in my blood, that he would strike you down at any given time, just make his mind up from above. Another country called, I learned to take the falls, I learned to grieve and to reflect upon those growing years and upon those childish fears and upon the things that he might have said. My search for memories, photos of him and me, yeah, just one thing that I could call my own. It's left a space inside, something that I can't feel, yeah, and it feels just like a scar, and it just won't heal. Where's the justice in this? Where's the justice in this world? Please, 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 please tell me now. Where's the justice in this? There's no justice in this, and I can't find it anywhere. Where's the justice in this? There's no justice in this world. You know the funny thing, last night I lay in bed before I drifted off to sleep. I said a prayer to God, and I guess it's just in case he's up there